Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Append and Link feature in Blender 2.79 beta. Previously, in other Blender versions that I've had for this one, the Append and Link features have been tweaking and changing things, codes and everything. An option is working here this time around. After 6 months, a different thing. I'm going to explain and what the difference in 2.79 are happening. You press right click, press X and delete, get rid of this cube file, choose append. I'm going to choose append. I'm going to Rubic cube. I choose object, and this is my Rubic cube. I zoom in and press S scale. So in append, you could grab YG, you scale, you could let's go into material first. So material. Material is like this, that's Blender or render. Good cycles, yeah. So when you go to material and click, you can tweak the color. You can tweak the color, so you choose node editor, press N and let's say linking this one to purple, see purple, linking it to so that's it for append. Tweak, translate, rotate, and have your data there. When you go to take it out to file, link, cube. So this is link cube. Scale not working. Can't scale. But you can scale in append. So why do you choose link? Why should you choose append? You choose append if you choose append when you want to choose append and you know that it's not going to distort your work in terms of speed, cost, time, and rendering. You choose link if you know you don't have much time when it comes to render or your system is slow. You choose link to help you, because link is not going to get or call all data and physical data here. It's going to be pointing there and it's going to be using those data from your previous Blender file. So one thing you could do with link is you could not or you cannot do this. You see this gray feature, you can't tweak your material, you can't do anything, you can't change anything in link. See, you can add, you can't cut, you can't remove this. You can only do it in append. So in append, you can cut, you can connect, you can take, you can delete. But in link, you can't. The link you can't delete, the link you can't, because the real file is in the original. So you have to do it in the original, so it's affected here, and that's when you do a kind of sync, that is you open the file over again. But if you however got a link file and you want to tweak it and you don't want to go there, you could just duplicate it and delete this one. You press Shift P, delete, and you translate. So this is now a copy of this, but in its appended form. So in this one, you can tweak it here, just like you're trying to make it local. Yeah, you can't. You see the difference here. This one here is not highlighted, so you don't have options of making it local in the first place. But here it's highlighted. You can get a second fake user and you can make it local. So you can just delete this. However, a different way is making it proxy. But when you make proxy, you lose your modifiers. If you make proxy, you see, you lose your modifiers. You have only one, and there are other things you use aside modifiers. That's because the cube doesn't have much of the features. I will explain more about that. Press X, delete, and get rid of this one. So this is what we're using, and take this away. So we've got a copy of the cube from a linked one. And you can now change the color here. This is a copy of the link. It's not linked again because we weren't really copy from it. You check this one. Directly link library to tablet to make it local. So you could tweak it to the color there. It's now like bright enough. That means you could change this color from black to gray. I'm taking it off. Gray, side color. Click this one, you could check this. Click this one, check it. Click, check. Click, check, so that means those are coming brighter, and you can tweak them if you want to. So I can change this red to purple, change it to blue, I can give it to orange or whatever color you see the effect in this place wherever I go. So that's it about link and append. It can do more help. So it's actually good if you make use of it in large scenes, because that's where it really helps in large scenes. Even small one, depends on how you want it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for listening as well, and do well to like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to this video, you should do so. Therefore, and thank you all for supporting. See you in my next video. Bye.